Technology that was developed by a San Diego company that debuted just this year. We're here at a test site. This is not a live pipeline here in South San Francisco, but Brian and Billy with Diakont, the company in San Diego, are going to show us right now this robot and how they would put it into the pipeline. So you can see it's hooked up right now, and it takes two to lift it up and get it in there. But we're talking about the inspections of the girth welds. Those are the joints that hold together the large transmission lines like you see right here. The traditional method is to dig at every joint, that's every 20 feet or so, using X-ray technology from the outside to inspect the condition. That does take more time and money. This robot goes into the pipeline, and with this technology, crews with the company can monitor the robot from inside. It uses ultrasonic waves bouncing off the pipe to gauge the integrity of the pipe, looking for defects, looking for anomalies like dents, cracks, and corrosion. With roughly 7,000 miles of large transmission pipeline in Northern and Central California, PG&E says this technology will expedite thorough daily inspections that the company's been conducting since 2011, meaning more neighborhoods will have their pipelines inspected in a shorter amount of time.
I can say this is a significant improvement as far as cost, time, and disruption to our customers. So our customers will see the benefit of safer, more reliable service, and they'll also see less disruption to their community. So we're not digging any ground above the pipe.
There's also plenty of cost savings, according to PG&E, which says this allows for the same job that would be done in a matter of days to be cut down to a matter of hours, saving hundreds of thousands of dollars, though there's no exact amount given. Now, before, you really couldn't check every single girth weld. Again, these joints here, this robot will allow that to happen for about half a mile stretch at a time. Also, we just passed the Loma Prieta 25th anniversary. Of course, we hear a lot about earthquakes and the next big one. This robot could be deployed to quickly evaluate the integrity of pipes affected by the areas impacted by an earthquake. So they're excited about that as well. And PG&E looking to roll out this technology sometime next year, maybe in the middle of next year. We're now live in South San Francisco. Stephanie Trong, NBC, Bay Area News.
Kind of cool to get an up-close look. Thank you, Steph.
On an issue that is very